So today I did something that I haven't fixed in a long time. I did baked turkey necks, and I'm sorry, turkey wings. And what happened, I got this from Albertsons and they were already cut. See, I got two pieces of the tips and then I had the other part. Like, this is a drum. You see what I'm saying? And then those are the, well, you see what I'm talking about. Look, I did these the same way that I do my, all my meat, my baked chicken, my baked pork chops, baked pork steak, the same way. Just season it, put it on 375. But I think I actually ended up cooking these too long, but they actually came out real good. The fat rendered off right here, you can actually take that fat right there. See that fat down in that pan? You can take that and take you some bell pepper and onion and a little garlic and make a gravy with that. Like if you're not going to make not put the gravy on this, but make a gravy like to put over your rice or potatoes or whatever and just have this baked. It's very flavorful, y'all. But that's what I'm having today. The baked turkey necks. Wings. I'm sorry. Baked turkey wings. And y'all know your girl make a mean pot of beans. So I don't add very much water to my crock pot when I do beans, because that's how you get that watery consistency. I don't like that. And I have several videos where I made it. I put this on this morning. I had to end up leaving work because I had a terrible headache. But anyway, so look. So I take the beans, like if your gravy, see how thick the gravy? That's how I like mine. Now, if yours is watery and you want to thicken your gravy, what you can do, watch this. Take a few of your beans and smash them up against the back with a spoon like that. And then take that and stir that into your beans. And that thickens the gravy. That's the way you can do it. You don't have to do that. I've seen people say they take their beans and add flour water. No, don't do that. Just don't put a lot of beans. You only want to have enough beans and water to cover your beans. And look, I didn't do anything. I did take a few, about that many beans, and smash them and stir them around up in there just to make it like a gravy-like consistency. And that's it. And that is my Tuesday meal. Have a good day, y'all. Be blessed. Much love. Bye.